How to change font on Facebook post text. What is up, everybody? If you are trying to change text on your Facebook post, first of all, you're going to have to open up your web browser and head over to facebook.com. Now here you just have to make sure that you sign into your account. And once you easily log into it, you're simply going to have to create a new post by clicking on what's on your mind. So what I'm going to do here is write two different lines. So something like this is a normal text. And I'm going to write something below that. This is not a normal text. And I'm going to write these as well. So what are you going to have to do is if you want to change the font or the of this text right here, you're going to have to select it first. So I'm going to go ahead and select this, copy this, and open up another tab. And you're going to have to search for a website called LingoJam. Hit enter. Click on the first link that you see, Fancy Text Generator. And what you're going to do is paste your normal text here. And it will give you all of the fancy text so you can browse through it and then select the one that you want to post. So let's say if I want to post this one right here, I'm going to keep it a bit simple. So let's just post this one. I'm going to copy this and then go back to my Facebook. And instead of this text, I'm going to paste the one that I've just copied and then post it. So what it basically does is it will give me this as my normal text, and this one will be a fancier text or the changed font text. That's how you easily change a font on Facebook post text. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.